Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I am making my salt and pepper calamari. So if you're interested in seeing how I do this, keep on watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. To prep, we are going to chop our garlic. We don't want minced pieces because we don't want the garlic to burn. For the green onions, separate the white parts from the green. Wash your squid and cut into 1/4-inch pieces. Cut the tentacles as well. We all make mistakes, as I did. I forgot to score my squid, so don't forget to score before you cut them into pieces. Season with shaoxing wine, white pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Season cornstarch with garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Beat your egg. Now let's bread this. Dip pieces in the cornstarch. Dip pieces in the egg and dredge it in the cornstarch. You're going to repeat this for the rest. Now heat up some oil. Once your oil is heated, add your calamari and cook it until pale golden. This is about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook this because it will become tough. Once your calamari is about lightly golden brown, you want to go ahead and strain off the oil and set that aside. For the topping, saute garlic until fragrant. Add the white parts of your green onions. Add your chili flakes. Once garlic is lightly golden, strain off the oil and add this topping to your calamari. Season with salt and pepper if needed and garnish with the green parts of your green onion. And that's it. Now it's time to taste this. I like to just add a little bit of lemon juice on it because it brings out the freshness of the calamari since it's been frying. Okay, which piece do I want? This is my favorite part, the tentacles. I love how you can taste the garlic powder. Has a nice balance of the saltiness. I could add a little bit more spice though because I do like spicy food, but other than that, it's delicious. Let's take another bite. So good. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tap on that notification bell. For my recipes, please check out ivyskitchen.net. And if you do recreate my recipes, I would love to hear from you. So please tag me on social media and hashtag Ivy's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.